If you're experiencing a billing hold on your PayPal account, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by entering your email and password on the PayPal website or app. Step 2. Check notifications. Look for any notifications or alerts on your account dashboard. PayPal often provides specific reasons for billing holds, which can guide your next steps. Step 3. Review your account information. Ensure that all your account information is up to date. This includes verifying your email address, phone number, and bank account details, as discrepancies can lead to holds. Step 4. Resolve any outstanding issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact PayPal support. If the hold persists, reach out to PayPal customer support for assistance. Provide them with any relevant information and ask for guidance on how to lift the hold. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your PayPal account efficiently. If issues continue, keep in touch with customer support for further assistance.